Hey guys, and welcome back to Bodacious Baz. Today we've got a good little project for you. We're going to turn this beach rock into a tea light candle holder. I guess you could use a river rock, but we've chosen to use a beach rock. So with that, okay, cool, you're still here. So what do we need in this project? Well, firstly, a beach rock's going to be really handy. Second, a Dremel with a diamond tip. We're also going to need a 38mm core drill bit, which is diamond. Also, we're going to need, this is about a 16mm diamond drill bit for the centre of it. We're going to need a tape or a flexible tape or something to be able to measure around the rock to find the centre. Something to mark on. A cold chisel, hammer, and something that can contain water for the drilling so that we can keep the rock wet and cut down on dust and make the cool the drill bits. I've used a piece of this just like foam rubber that'll stop the rock slipping around inside the thing when we fill it full of water. So, first thing, let's find the centre of this rock. To find the centre of the rock, we'll get our flexible tape measure and just obviously find our measurements from this. So we've got 18 there, which centre that way is 9. Then we'll go this way, and the centre there is 8. So X marks the spot where we've got to drill with our core drill bit. So the first thing we need to do is zero the drill bit on the rock. So we zeroed there, and we'll set the depth to 15mm, which is about the depth of a tea light holder. Self-start on, holding the rock. Okay, so we finished our rock. We've got our 2 holes here. The purpose of the centre hole is just to make it easy to knock out with the cold chisel as we go. You'll notice that I started this one and I over-drilled it, so we had to scrap that one and go with this particular rock here. So all you do is I've got my safety glasses on and chisel. Being careful. I've just got a mat on my workbench to make life easy. Now it's over to the Dremel just to smooth things out. Okay, so that's it. Took about, I guess all up with photographing or videoing the whole thing, it's probably taken around about an hour. So easy project to do, just give the stone a clean, maybe an oil, drop the tea light holder in here, which you'll see in a minute, and light it and enjoy it. So with that, thanks for being here, and hopefully you'll give me a thumbs up and maybe even subscribe, and we'll be doing lots more projects in the future.